Welcome back. Today on Real Reviews, we are going to be unboxing and reviewing this cool little travel tank, I guess you could call it, for your reptiles or small animals. So let's go ahead and open up the box and see what we get inside. So here we go. First off, it's foldable, so that's really cool. And in here is the rest of it. So there's really nothing much to this, as you can see. Get all of these little edge guards off and get it out of the plastic bag here. And that's pretty much all there is to it. So this is a nice little travel tank, I guess you could say. So folded, it's only about 15 inches by about 11 inches by about 3 inches tall. And this is roughly about the same dimensions. So folded, I mean, really, you could just take this thing, you can shove it under the bed or put it wherever you want to kind of put it away. And now let's just go ahead and put this thing together. Now, it's really easy to do this. The only thing you have to do is just basically take this piece out here, move this to the side. You're going to open this up. Pretty neat. And it's kind of like, I don't know, fit in. I mean, it's not really very strong material or anything like that. So I don't expect it to be super strong, but it definitely does work as a nice little travel container. So you got to kind of carefully get this all around it here. There we go. And now the top, actually this piece goes inside of here. This is kind of like the little tray, so it makes it easy to clean it. Put that right inside there. And that just fits right in. And then you have your nice little clips here, and this allows you to clip the top down so it doesn't come off. Just put that into place like that. The other one goes into place like this. And then your top just goes right on just like this. And you lock it in. Perfect. So this is pretty nice because it has this little spot on the top where you can open it up. Basically go like that, and this basically just comes right off. And you'll be able to feed your animal, feed your pet, whatever you might have in here. And this is really made for like reptiles, I guess. For, you know, I actually got it for a leopard gecko, my leopard gecko Leo. So here is Leo, our little leopard gecko. We just got him about a month ago. He's doing really well. He's pretty cool. I don't know how excited he is about this little travel enclosure, but I think it will work well for him if we needed it. We very well may. Nice little guy. Very cool. Leopard geckos are pretty cool animals and fairly easy to take care of. There he is. That's Leo, guys. Like a new little travel enclosure? You want to try it out? Go ahead and open it up and get you in there. See if you like it. Let's check it out. There it is. You can show him from up top. There he is. He loves it. You love it in there? Look at him. He's just smelling around. You just close your little top. And if you want to access your pet, you can just open up the little front doors just like this. Pull it down. Now, once again, like I said, this isn't like great build quality. It is very cheap. It's kind of, you know, not too sturdy or anything. But for a little leopard gecko like this to travel, it'll work out just fine. Right, Leo? You love it? I think Leo approves. Yeah, so obviously if you have a leopard gecko, he's going to need a bigger enclosure than this. He's going to need at least a 20 or 30 gallon enclosure. But for travel purposes or for emergency purposes, or if you want to feed him in it, that will work out just fine. And this right here is actually made of metal. So you can put a little heat lamp on top here. So you can close this up, put a little heat lamp right here, and you can actually heat them up if you're going to be traveling with it, or if you just want to use this as like a feeder, like a little feeder tank. And on the front is pretty cool too, because this just opens up. Just open these little spots here, and the front panel just folds down. So you can also be able to get to your animal there, get to your pet, be able to clean it, be able to move whatever you have inside of the tank around, or be able to actually take your pet out if you wanted to hold them. So now you just have to make sure when you close this door that you do lock these back into place. And I don't really see a way that your animal could get out of here. I don't know if it could be like strong enough. I guess if you have a bigger animal, it could probably push through here maybe. I'm not really sure. Some people said their animal supposedly escaped from it. But I mean, if you're going to put a bearded dragon in here, I mean, obviously that's a little small for a bearded dragon. Let's go ahead and measure this and see how big it is opened up here. So height wise right now, this is only about 9 inches tall. About 9 inches tall. And like I said before, it's about 15 inches across. Almost 15 inches across. And about 11 inches wide or 11 inches deep. So it's really not that big, and you can fold it down. It does fold down really easily. You just go ahead and see the whole thing. So here it is. It's really light. That's the bottom of it. And it does actually come with some wheels, these little wheels you can put on it. Forgot about those. Comes with these little wheels you're supposed to put on it. I don't know really why you would use these, honestly, because I don't really want my tank to roll around, but I'll just put them on anyhow. So basically these little wheels right here, they just kind of just clip into place like this. All these little spots, just like that. And now it's no longer a travel tank, it is a roller skate. So I'm not really sure like why you would want your tank to roll around unless you want to take your little pet lizard for a ride, but it comes with those little wheels. So this is pretty much it. Pretty nice little tank. You do have to kind of spin this all the way around to open it up. Just bear that in mind, and it just comes right out. All right, so let's just take a look all around at this. So if you can see on the sides here, it has a hole so your pet can breathe on both sides. Lots of big holes in it. Then you have your screen on the top. You have your door right here in the front that opens and closes. Really nice. Around the bottom, it's nothing special. Those little wheels we just put on. So anyhow, this is a really nice tank. It's really easy to take apart once again. You just pull the top off like this. Just take this piece off like this. And this goes inside of here. Just like that. Just fits right in there. Then you take this tray out with the bottom. Now you just fold down. Actually, I believe this one goes down first. This one goes down second. And these two just fold down. Now you can choose to take these off if you want, which is pretty easy. You just pop them off. Or you could leave them on. But, you know, obviously off, it makes it flatter. And it just goes on top like that. And you have your base. And you have your handles. And that's all done. There's your little travel enclosure. If you're interested in purchasing this little travel tank, I will leave a link in the description where you'll be able to get it from. And if you would like to show your support, please be sure to use my links since they do generate a small revenue for the channel. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell button so you never miss another video on Real Reviews. See you guys next time.